Hi, good day. Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe my TikTok page. Thank you so much.
Hello students, happy learning. So with that, our objectives of the lesson: first, recall the special products formula. And second, solving problems involving algebraic expressions by using the special products formula. Ito po yung kailangan natin matutunan or master this week. Kung hindi pa po natin napapanood yung discussion about special products formula, okay, you have free to watch po. Okay? So with that, let's have example number 1. A rectangular flower pot has a 2x plus 8 centimeter long and 2x plus 1 centimeter wide. So what is the area of this rectangular pot? Okay, so we have to analyze first. Okay, ito po yung ating figure of the rectangular flower pot. Okay, and identify the given. Okay, kung meron tayong long or this is the length ng flower pot or rectangular plot. And then yung 2x plus 1, ito naman yung width, or that's the wide, no? If we are going to label it, okay, ito po yung length natin, and that is 2x plus 8. And yung width natin, or yung lapad, yung length kasi yung haba. And that is width is equal to 2x plus 1. Okay, anong kailangan kong i-apply to solve this problem or the area? Ibig sabihin na hanapin natin ito, yung ito. Okay, di ba ito, we call this the area, no? Ito, itong part na ito. And then, we have to use the area or the length times width for the rectangle. And then, we have to write the solution. Just simply substitute lang natin. 2x plus 8 times 2x plus 1. Okay, kung mapapansin natin, di ba, ito po yung discussion natin about the product of two binomials. Kaya nga, kailangan natin ma-recall yung special products formula. So with that, ano ba yung formula natin dyan? Okay, ito pa yung formula natin. Kung nare-recall natin, no, we have this x squared plus the quantity ax plus bx plus ab. Okay, saan ang galing itong formula? Okay, remember, we have this product of two binomials, and that is x plus a times x plus b. Okay, so pwede siyang i-FOIL method yan, no? But we have to use the formula for the special product, kaya mas madali. So ibig sabihin yan, so eto po yung ating square natin yung first term, and then get the sum of the product of inner and outer. Ito yung ax plus bx, and then get the product of the last term. Yun yung a times b. Ito yon. Okay, all we have to do is substitute lang natin sa formula. Constant po yung exponent na 2. Okay? And we have to identify, ano ba yung first term natin? That is simply 2x. And then, substitute natin. And then, we have to get the product of the, we call this inner terms. Kaya nga, ax, ibig sabihin yan, 8 times 2x, and that will become 16x. And yung bx na to, ito po yung outer. Ito yan, 2x times 1, kaya that is 2x. And then, ano naman yung ating AB? Multiply lang po natin yung last term natin. 8 times 1, or that is 8 times 1 lang siya. Okay, then we can now simplify. What is 2x squared? Okay, pag sinimplify natin yan, that is 4x squared. And we have to combining like terms, di ba? Kaya nasa parenthesis sila. And what is 16x plus 2x? That is equal to 18x. And 8 times 1, that is simply 8. And then, yan na po yung ating area. So meaning to say, we have to write the final answer, 4x squared plus 18x plus 8 square centimeter. Okay, kailangan may unit po siya kasi area ang tinatawag natin or yung ating tinatanong. Okay, so with that, let's have an example number 2. What is the area of a square pool table whose side is 3x plus 4 meters? Okay, how are we going to solve this problem? Ito po yung ating square pool table. So we have to identify the given. Kung ito ay square side, meron siyang measure na 3x plus 4 meters. Ibig sabihin niyan, sa square kasi pare-parehas ang sukat ng side. 4 sides are equal. Okay, ibig sabihin yan, we have to label this side is equal to 3x plus 4. Lahat po sila. Ito, same with this, same. Kasi nga, pare-parehas yan. Yun yung congruent of sides. And then, to solve this problem, we have to determine or identify the formula now for the square. The area is simply square. Square lang natin yung given side. And that is our solution. We have to substitute the given side, which is 3x plus 4 doon sa formula natin. Okay, ito yon. And kung mapatatandaan natin daw, what is 3x plus 4 square? Kung babalikan natin special product formula, dapat ma-recall natin, we can apply the square of a binomial. Okay? Anong ba yung formula natin dyan? So this is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay? So remember, this is galing po sa square of a binomial. Kaya a plus b square. We need to say square the first term, twice the product of the first and second term, and square the last term. Okay? And we have to substitute lang ating given. Kung ang first term natin 3x, square natin. That is simply 3x. And then, twice natin yung product ng first at second term. Given po yung constant term natin na 2 dyan sa formula, all we have to do is substitute the first term, 3x, and the second term, that is 4. And then square the last term, yun yung 4. Okay? And then we can now simplify. What is 3x squared? That is simply 9x squared, and get the product of this 2 times 3x times 4. Kaya nga that is simply 24x. And what is 4 squared? Ibig sabihin ng 4 times 4. Okay, remember this is exponent, no? Kaya nga i-multiply mo yung 4 sa sarili niya. Kaya that is equal to 16. Yan na po yung ating area ng square. Okay? So para mas may represent natin, we have to put the unit. That is meter square or square meter. Kaya ang area natin of the square pool table is 9x squared plus 24x plus 16 square meter. Okay, with that, let's have example number 3. What is the volume of a Rubik's Cube whose edge is 5x minus 2 centimeter? Take note of this. When we say edge, this is also named as side or tinatawag siyang side, no? Okay, so this is our representation. We have this Rubik's Cube. And then, ano ba yung side natin? Okay, meron tayong tatlong side. That is yung length. Ito, yung dimension niya. This is 8 width. Tapos ito naman yung ating height. Ibig sabihin yan, kung ito yung volume, or that is the, we are going to find the volume, no? Pare-parehas yung measure ng length, width, and height. So therefore, we have to write 5x minus 2 of the given sides. Okay, and then, ano ba yung ating i-apply na formula? For the volume of a cube. So s cube, ibig sabihin yan, i-multiply natin yung given side na 3 beses sa sarili niya. Kaya nga s cube. Okay? And then, our solution for this is simply 5x minus 2 cube. Ito cube natin. Okay. So remember, ano yung special product na formula na kailangan ko ma-apply dyan? Kailangan ma-recall nyo yung cube of a binomial. Okay, ano ba yung formula natin dyan? We have this, a cube minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b cube. Okay, saan ang galing yan? Nandito, galing po dyan sa a minus b cube. In-expand lang po siya. So all we have to do is substitute the given first term and second term dito po sa ating formula. Okay, so we have this. Constant na po yung 3 na exponent together with the 2 exponent and yung 3 na coefficient. Okay, and then ano ba yung first term natin? Di ba sabi sa step noon, cube the first term. Kaya nga, cube natin yung 5x. And then, triple the product of the square of the first term and the second term. Kaya nga, substitute lang natin yung ating 5x tapos yung 2. Okay, take note of this. Bakit hindi ako naglagay ng minus dito? Negative 2. Okay, remember, naka-formula na po kasi tayo. Hindi na po natin ilalagay yan kasi nga, para ma-retain po natin yung ating formula na minus sa second term. Okay? So, and then, thrice the product of the first term and the square of the second term. Kung nare-recall natin, ito yun, no? Ibig sabihin, substitute lang natin yung first term, that is 5x, and yung second term natin, that is 2. And then, cube the last term. Ano ba yung last term natin? That is 2. Okay, and we have to simplify. What is 5x cubed? Ibig sabihin yan, 5 times 5 times 5. And that is simply 125x cubed. And take note of this. Kapag meron po siyang exponent, we have to simplify first before you multiply. Kaya 5 square, pag in-square mo yan, magiging 25 na to. Okay? And then 25, i-multiply mo sa 2, 50 na yan. And then 50 times 3, that is simply equal to 150x squared. Since minus yan, you have to copy. Kailangan kasi ma-retain mo yung minus dito sa second term. Kaya hindi dapat lalagyan ng negative dito. Okay, and then you have to simplify this. Okay, di ba may exponent na 2? Kaya 2 square, we have to multiply 2 times 2 yan. Okay? And 2 times 2, or 2 raised to 2, that is equal to 4. 4 times 5, that is 20 times 3. Kaya that is simply 60x. Okay? And then, what is 2 cubed? That is 2 times 2 times 2. Kaya nga 8. Since minus, you have to copy. Kailan makita mo yung pattern? Minus yung sign nung nasa last term, tsaka yung second term. Okay? With that, yan na po yung ating volume of a Rubik's Cube whose side is 5x minus 2. We have 125x cubed minus 150x squared plus 60x minus 8. Then put the unit cubic centimeter. Okay, let's have example number 4. In Facebook live streaming, Samantha earns 2x plus 3 times 2x minus 3,000 pesos. While Madam Inuts earns 2x plus 3 square, 1,000 pesos. Who earns more? By how much more? Ibig sabihin yan, aalamin natin ngayon, sino ang mas maraming kinita doon sa pagpa-Facebook live streaming at ilan yung dinami ng kinita? Si Samantha ba? Or si Madam Inuts? Di ba? Pares silang active sa social media. So malalaman natin ngayon. So let's have example. Okay. Or that is our solution now. We have to solve first for Samantha. Or Samantha Bernardo. That is yung kanyang kinita or yung kanyang na-earns 2x plus 3 times 2x minus 3. Ito yon. Okay, kung maaalala natin ano special product formula ang aking i-apply. That is product of sum and difference of two binomials. Okay, remember, that is also known as difference of two squares. Okay? Ibig sabihin yan, paano malalaman kung sum and difference of two binomials? Kapag pares yung first term, tsaka yung second term, magkaiba lang siya ng plus, sign. Yung isa plus, yung isa minus. Kasi nga, sum ito ay difference. And then, anong formula yan? Okay, square the first term and second term. Saan ang galing po yan? Ito. A plus B times A minus B. Okay, remember the formula for the special product. And then, square lang natin, substitute natin doon sa formula. Square natin yung first term, that is 2x. Constant po yung 2 na exponent kasi galing sa formula. And square natin yung second term, that is 3. And what is 2x squared? That is simply 4x squared. And square natin yung 3, that is 9. So meaning to say, we have 4x squared minus 9 pesos. Yan yung na-earn ngayon ni Samantha doon sa pag-Facebook live streaming. Okay, isolve naman natin ngayon kay Madam Inuts. Okay, so ito yung kanyang na-earns. We have 2x plus 3 squared. Okay, kung babalikan natin, ano kaya ang ating formula or special product formula para ma-solve ito? Okay, i-apply natin dyan ang square of a binomial. Okay, and anong formula natin? Remember, kagaya siya ng example natin kanina, we have a square plus 2ab plus b square. Ito yung square the first term twice the product of the first and the second term and square the last term. Okay, nanggaling po dyan sa formula na a plus b square. Okay, ito yung first term, 2x, second term is 3. And we have to substitute lang dito sa formula natin. Constant po yung exponent na 2 tsaka yung coefficient na 2 dyan. Okay, galing sa formula. All we have to do is substitute the first term. Yun yung 2x. Square the first term and twice. Kaya may 2 po dyan. No? And what is first term? I-multiply natin yung first term tsaka yung ating second term. Kaya nga, doblehin natin yung product nila. And then square the second term. That is 3 square. And we have to simplify. What is 2x square? That is simply 4x square. Dito naman, what is the product of this 2 times 2x times 3? That is simply 12x. And square natin yung 3 or meaning to say 3 times 3 yan. And that is equal to 9. Okay, common error, no? Do not multiply 3 times 2. Wala pong rule. Kaya 3 raised to 2, ibig sabihin, no? Kaya 9 po yan. And therefore, we have 4x squared plus 12x plus 9 pesos. Ito po yung na-earn ni Madam Inut sa pag-Facebook live streaming. So, paano natin malalaman yung sagot dito sa who earns more doon sa ating na-solve kay Samantha at Madam Inut? Okay, so to determine this, we have to subtract. Isusubtract natin yung na-earns ni Madam Inuts, that is 4x squared plus 12x plus 9. Subtract natin yung kay Samantha. And that is 4x squared minus 9 pesos. Okay, remember, this is a vertical method doon sa combining like terms. Ibig sabihin yan, i-add na natin. What is 4x minus 4x? That is subtraction, no? Kaya nga, makakancel na po siya. 0 na yan. And since wala na po makakancel dito, we have to bring down 12x. And then, okay, remember, keep change. Kasi di ba kung this is positive, naging negative yan. Kung negative to magiging plus na siya. Kaya that is keep change sa subtraction. That is 9 plus negative, or 9 plus 9 na pong ibig sabihin niyan. Kasi nag-reverse na po siya. And that will become 18. Ibig sabihin niyan, there are 12x plus 18. Ito ngayon, yung sagot sa tanong na who earns more by how much more? Meaning to say, we find out that Madam Inuts earns 12x plus 18 pesos more than Samantha. Okay? So yan po yung sagot sa question number 4 given example. Okay, with that, I hope you learned something